Hello developers, my name is Milad and welcome to very first video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very easy to use animation library for React app. It is called React Awesome Reveal. I've used this animation into my recent project and believe me, it is very satisfying and pleasant. For showing that, let's just create a React app, put some text in it and give them this animation and use in our project. So let's just jump into VS Code, open up a new terminal and write npx create with @latest. I use this way to create a React app. You can use any solution or way to create a React app. For run this React app into our browser, let's say npm run dev. Waiting for create our local host port is open ops import 5173. So let's open and it's create a fresh React app. So let's just put into side by side, head to source folder and open up app.jsx. Just remove unwanted code in here. I don't use these and delete all of them. So let's just put some text, for example a p tag in here, and let's say this is simple text and another text with h1 and say the heading goes here. So let's just save the project and you can see these two texts has been created out. Just back to our React Awesome Reveal website. By the way, I put this link into my description, you can check it out, or head to react-awesome-reveal-movable.dev. So let's go to documentation and in installation section you can use whatever you want. I use npm for that. So I open up a new CLI and paste enter, wait for install this package into my project. So it is finished. Let's clear our CLI and close. If you scroll down and remember, as I said, it is very easy to use and implement because you can just write a name of animation as a component and put your element between this component. As you can see, it is shows in here. So let's just put our p tag in a fade animation and just remember import it from React Awesome Reveal component and library and put these text into this. So let's just save it and back to project and you can see it is fade and show in a opacity goes up. You can see it's like that. If you're back again and go to revealing effects, in this page you can see a lot of effects, available effects for that. For example, bonus, flip, hink, roll, and a few more. For our h1, let's just put bonus and look how it is. So let's say bonus, I put it and I wrap bonus with h1. So let's just save and you can see it's bonus in a very present way. These components has a lot of attribution, for example, direction, delay, duration, skating, and a lot of things. For example, for this animation with this p tag, I want to sum another animation and say direction is, for example, up. And as you can see, start from down to up. You can read the documentation for use more attribute. So let's just talk about cascading. In cascade attribute, this shows one by one every element. So just copy and paste in here and just save it and you see shows in Y by one and step by step. You can put delay this cascade animation by say dumping and put a number with second, for example every 1.5 seconds, and it has delay to display. So this is about reveal effects. By the way, it is inspired by these animate.css. This library just use class name for implement animation to every single component and tags. If you are enjoy this video and want to create another video about animate.css, please let me in the comment section. And if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and for more video like that, please subscribe to my channel.